Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you about one of my most favorite snacks. It is Nutella. These are these great little snack packs, but usually it comes in a plastic jar. This is actually, I think this is an Italian, so these are like the little snack packs. I think I ordered these online, but normally it comes in a container, like a regular plastic container, and basically it's a spread like peanut butter but better. It is absolutely delicious. I'm Italian. I grew up having this on toast, but now Nutella's gotten like super popular. They put it in everything from milkshakes to French toast. They make banana Nutella crepes with this, which I had in Disney World, and they were absolutely delicious. Put these on waffles, pancakes, you name it. The ingredients are sugar, palm oil, hazelnuts, cocoa, skim milk, whey, milk, lectin, emulsifier, soy, vanillin, and there is some kind of an artificial flavor in it. You can call for nutrition information. There's a phone number, 1-800-688-3552, and exclusively distributed by Ferrero USA Incorporated in Somerset, New Jersey. So the regular jar is a size 0.88 ounce or 25 grams. That's usually the one that I purchase. However, you can get larger sizes as well, and I know they sell like these great little snack packs as well as other little snack packs that come with these like cookie breadsticks that you could kind of just dip in the pack, which is like this size. And I love those too. Those are great on the go. I know my aunt packs my cousins those to bring to school with them, and they absolutely love it. It's super spreadable, delicious, and the product of course is Italian, so made in Italy. For best results, do not refrigerate or microwave at all. So Nutella contains no artificial colors or preservatives. They come in single serve glass jars too. Those provide upscale presentation. They spread easily on top of crepes, toast, and breakfast pastries. They help control portions, and they are great for restaurants, hotels, and events. You could buy them in bulk if you'd like. And then like this pack I bought last month, and it expires June 19, but they're like the little snack pack, so of course I know I'm going to go through them rather quickly because they're delicious. So a little bit in the details. Treat your patrons to the fine taste of the smooth and creamy Nutella hazelnut spread. It spreads easily on top of crepes, pancakes, toast, and croissants. Customers are sure to love this versatile spread on both breakfast offerings or dessert. Nutella selects fresh raw materials and quality ingredients to make their signature hazelnut spread. Today, Nutella is known the world over for its unique flavor, but the recipe originally began as a delicious solution to the shortage of cocoa following World War II. It's made with sugar, skim milk, finely ground hazelnuts, and hints of rich cocoa. All of the ingredients are blended together into a silky smooth paste and contain no artificial colors or preservatives. The 0.88 ounce mini jars of Nutella provide an upscale alternative to standard portion packets for your bed and breakfast or hotel room service. So I guess that's if you like own a restaurant or something like that, or a hotel or whatever, and you want to have this out for your customers. But it is gluten-free, non-GMO, Orthodox Union Dairy Kosher, imported from Italy. This item has been halal certified by the National Independent Halal Trust and is permissible under Islamic law. Very interesting. So Nutella tastes amazing. A lot of chocolate with just the right amount of hazelnuts and sweetness. It is creamy, rich, and amazing with any fruit as well. Mini Nutella jars are perfect for gifts, and I know people that have like bought them for colleagues, friends, etc. I'm going to open this up so you guys can see what the inside looks like. Look how yummy this is. Nice and rich, delicious, creamy. Looks like the consistency of peanut butter. You can see the cocoa flavor. I'm absolutely obsessed with Nutella. So I would go for like, any jar is fine. But yeah, that's actually something cool to think about. The glass jar is making a nice gift, especially with the holidays coming up. You could pack those with some nice pastries or something and give them to somebody. And the glass jars are very cute as well. But I like the little mini packs because you could bring this wherever you go. I could pack myself some fresh cut fruit and then just bring the Nutella on the side with them. And it makes a perfect snack. And I love them. But Nutella in general, any size, get it. Keep it in your cabinet, in your pantry, whatever. Serve it to your kids. It is absolutely delicious. And it has real hazelnuts, so at least you could feel somewhat good about eating it, right? Better than eating just regular chocolate. So I hope you guys will try out Nutella if you haven't yet. It is delicious and you are going to absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys.